Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we have something super exciting. If you can't tell already, it is a Moana cosplay. If you guys would like to see how I achieved her look, please keep on watching. Okay, so I do have hair like Moana. It is curly and wavy and kind of her length, but I want to stay true to her, so I am going to be curling my entire head using my Remington inch to half inch wand. So I will do that first and then we will get started. Okay guys, so I'm getting down to the home stretch and I'm at the top where I can now part my hair, but all the pictures of Moana, she either has a side part or her hair is kind of like windswept back, like nice beach waves. So I think I'm gonna do that and just kind of do a side part but then pull everything back all together. Okay guys, last strand. That honestly did not take me a while. It probably seemed like it did, but this curling iron works so good and I don't even have to keep it on long, and honestly these curls last me about like 4 to 5 days. So I love this curling iron. I honestly don't even think they sell it anymore, but I could be wrong. But many people have asked me about this curling iron. I think I got it at Ulta like 7 to 8 years ago honestly, but I really like this one. It's the Remington. It doesn't have like any like specific like model number or anything, but I really like this. So while my curls cool, I am going to be putting on my jewelry that I have. So I'm just gonna put on these cute little pearl earrings. These I got in like a multi-pack at Five Below, but I feel like pearls remind me of the sea, so just chose to do pearls. And then I have Moana's actual necklace from the movie. I think me and my sister got this on eBay, I want to say. So I have one last accessory to complete my Moana look, but that will be the last finishing touch, and now I'm going to be starting the makeup for her. So she has just a very natural, very sun-kissed, dewy bronze look, so that's what we are going for today. So I'm going to start off by using my Mario Rose spray. Just getting that underglowy look that she has, and I'm just going to fan this in a little bit. And then I'm going to be going in with my Glow Skin Beauty. This is the Anti-Pollution Moisture Tint. So this is like a BB cream type of deal, and it has SPF of 30, so I love that. It's very lightweight and very nice for the summer. And I'm just going to put that all over. I'm going to make sure up top my forehead is covered. And I'm even going to be placing it on my eyes because I'm not going to really do too much eye makeup because she's just very natural, like I said. So I really want to stay true to that. So next I'm going to be cream contouring and concealing. Highlighting, contouring, whatever you want to call it. And like I said, I'm not going drastic on this, but I'm trying to keep everything like cream products. That way I can blend everything in so it looks very natural instead of using powder products for like a more dramatic look. And I'm just gonna lightly buff this and bring it out. I'm not gonna like drag everything because I want to savor that product and not kind of put it all into the brush. Now it is time for the cream contour. I love cream contour finishes. They look super natural and super dewy, especially when you use like a rose water hydrating spray or any type of hydrating spray for that fact. I just think it looks so beautiful, especially for the summertime. You don't want a lot of makeup, but when you do, you just want something light, airy, and then you could see it. And contour is one of my favorite parts of makeup, so this is like one of my favorite parts to do right now. So I'm just gonna smile to get my contour lines. So now we're gonna blend, blend, blend. It might look a lot at first, but trust me, this blends really nicely. It's already giving me that bronzy Moana feel and look. This product is really highly concentrated, but honestly it is very blendable. So it looks like a lot at first, but honestly if you keep blending, you'll be totally fine. Alright, I feel like I got my bronzy Moana look. And if you're doing this and you think that it's too bronzy, you can always go back and just pat in some BB cream or foundation, concealer, whatever you used right over top of it, no big deal. But I am putting finishing powder on that, which will lighten this a little bit, so just trust the process and keep going with it. Next, for a cream blush, I don't think I have any cream blushes. I used to have a Stila one and I think I honestly threw it away. But I'm going to be using this NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream, and oh, this is so, oh my god, that's like awesome. This is in the shade Honolulu. It's like they know we're doing Moana's look today. I picked the perfect lipstick for this blush. I'm like all tongue-tied because that was just so awesome. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the apples of my cheeks. And again, I'm just gonna blend, blend, blend. In Moana's photo, she kind of has like a harsh, deep, like rougey blush going up the side, so that's what I'm going for. I just wanna do like 2 dots of concealer, and I just wanna like brighten up the high points, so I'm going to be doing that and then setting everything with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. See how those 2 little drops of concealer made a difference? So I just want to pop under my eyes a little bit. And any high points. Alrighty, time to set everything in place. And this is like my holy grail finishing powder. I love this stuff. Now, I don't know how many of you set a BB cream when you use it. I do though, because sometimes I use it as like a foundation to go out, so. Like I said, makeup is your preference. You can just take what I do and spin it, or do exactly what I do. It's totally up to you. See, I told you that finishing powder will just even everything out. So it might look harsh at first, but it all evens out in the end. Okay, next is brows, and I know Moana is so known for her beautiful, big, thick eyebrows. So I'm going to be using my LA Girl Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade Soft Black. So usually I opt for something lighter like a brow powder, but her eyebrows are so beautiful and that's like her focal point, I feel like, for most people. So we're just going to use a pomade to make them a little more dramatic. So as you can see, I do have Moana's brows kind of going already. I don't really need to do much, but just kind of define what I have already. Alrighty, her brows are now complete. I love them. I'm going to now start her eyes. So when I look at a picture of Moana, so I have one on my phone, she just has very full lashes, and it looks like she just has like a little black on top lining, as all Disney princesses do. So I am gonna go for that. So I'm just gonna top line my eyes with some black eyeshadow, and then just curl my lashes and just mascara, mascara, mascara. So originally I was thinking about using false lashes, but I think since she's just such a natural look, I'm just going to stick with mascara, and I have long lashes to begin with, so I just think it's going to pull the whole look together, keeping everything nice and simple. And maybe for a little dramatic effect, in one of her photos, the sun was just shining on her very bronzy. So I think I'm just going to add like a little orange eyeshadow to this, just for that little effect. Not too much, just light dusting. Like that just added a beautiful effect for me. And I'm just going to throw that all over my lid. And I don't even care if it mixes with the black, the natural the better. Alrighty, time to curl these lashes. And I just like to click it for about 10 to 15 seconds just to ensure my curl, and I just like lift it up a little bit, inclining the lash so they lift. And to remove all of that mascara like mess from the top of my eyelids, I'm just gonna go back in and use the same shadow brush and just blend everything out. Perfect. And Moana does have beautiful big eyes, so I am going to be using my Colourpop White High School Musical eyeliner just to line the bottom of my waterline. Just like that. It's the little details that count. Okay, so when I really look at Moana's photos, her lips are like a nice chocolate brown mixed with a hint of like orange. So I'm just gonna do this whole mixture, and that is what we're gonna do. So to complete the lips, I'm going to be using my Holy Grail Morphe lip liner in the shade Richie. I'm going to be using this Twinkling Lights lip color from Colourpop, and this is in the shade Little Star, and then my NYX Lingerie matte lipstick in the shade Dusk to Dawn. So I really like that lip combo. Look, it looks like natural lips, but it also has like that flare of the deep brown, so I really like that. So I'm gonna finish off by putting on some highlight. You can never forget highlight, especially with that beautiful sun-kissed glow she has. And I'm just gonna kind of dust this all over my normal spots. Basically anywhere that the sun hits your high points on your face. Okay, I think it is now time to add my finishing touch, which is my floral headband. And I'm just gonna lift my roots up here with the curls for some volume. And there we have it. This is my finished look for Moana. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys want to see more cosplays, leave some comments down below on who you want to see. I do have a few in mind, hint hint. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to click that notifications bell so you guys will never miss any uploads of mine. With all of that said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.